For me personally in 2026, the MacBook Neo is the best budget laptop you can actually get. But we all know that the MacBook Neo is running on an iPhone chip, and this has everyone skeptical. Now, I want us to do something really interesting. I want us to benchmark the MacBook Neo against the MacBook Air M2, and we'll only judge them on the basis of CPU performance. We'll use Geekbench 6 so we can get a clear, fair reading on both laptops. Let's get right into it. First, the MacBook Neo scored 3,461 versus the MacBook Air M2, which scored 2,587 when tested on single-core performance. Now that's a 34% performance gap on basic tasks like web browsing, app responsiveness, and how fast the laptop actually loads. Then, when tested on multi-core performance, the MacBook Neo scored 8,668 versus the M2, which scored 9,644. The M2 in this case is about 11% faster than the MacBook Neo. Now this 11% gap comes when you're looking at heavy multi-core performance like rendering heavy video exports or compiling advanced code. But now this is where it gets really interesting for me. The MacBook Neo comes with 8GB RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and it's priced at 11,999 Rand at the iStore. Then the MacBook Air M2, at the same base model of 8GB RAM, 256 gigs of storage, is priced at 16,500 Rand at the 4,500 Rand difference just based on CPU performance alone. Do you think the MacBook Neo is really a bad laptop, or does it really come down to context, who's using it and what your needs are? Leave your comments in the comment section, then like and follow, and I'll see you in the next one.